it's Renata, and it's almost Halloween. Can you believe it? Well, to celebrate Halloween and to celebrate the launch of my latest ebook called The Busy Mom's Guide to Healthy Halloween Treats, I wanted to share with you an exclusive recipe video for one of the treats in this ebook. It's the Maple Almond Rice Crispy Treats. These Rice Crispy Treats are so much healthier than the ones that you would buy in the store because it has a special secret ingredient in it that helps to increase the protein and the healthy fats. This recipe is also one of my kids' favorite recipes from the ebook, so I wanted to show it to you to show that it is possible to have healthy and delicious treats at any time of the year, especially at Halloween. If you're interested in this recipe or any of the other amazing recipes from this ebook, make sure you click on the link below. Okay, let's get to making these healthy and delicious Maple Almond Rice Crispy Treats.
Harrison, do you like it?
I hope you love this recipe. Make sure you click on the link below to get your copy of The Busy Mom's Guide to Healthy Halloween Treats. This ebook is only available for the rest of the week up until the end of Halloween night, so you want to get your hands on it straight away. And if you purchase this week, I'll also be including a bonus recipe from my upcoming Thanksgiving ebook. And this is one that you're definitely going to want because when I posted it on social media, everyone went crazy for it. So if you purchase this ebook, The Busy Mom's Guide to Healthy Halloween Treats, you will get a bonus Thanksgiving recipe. So you'll already be so far ahead of everybody else when it comes to planning your Thanksgiving menu. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next recipe video. Bye, guys.